Okay, I went upstairs. Well, okay, I brought the painting upstairs. Then I came down, put a new canvas on the easel, looked at it for a while. Got distracted by some other things. Went back upstairs and looked at this little painting. And I realized all I had really done was paint 4 potatoes. Horrible, weak, terrible knife work. So I brought it back down, and I think this is an improvement. It needs more. You know, I have, what are these? There's a lymph node, and there's another lymph node. So things like that can really bother me, certainly on a small painting. And the sky now is just too weak, so I'm going to go back into it. This is not done. And I'm at the edge of my temper. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to play with this for, well, tonight or tomorrow. Well, I've already played with it tonight. I'll probably play with it tomorrow, and I'll show you once I in fact am happy with it. Okay, thanks guys. See ya. Okay, I think that's much better now. Brought some of that light area in the sky a little, well, behind the main tree and higher in the painting. I think that balances things better. And those rocks are looking more like rocks now, and less like a root vegetable. Okay. See you later.